Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue if any application on your Xiaomi F Pro TV won't start working. So the easiest solution to this is simply restart your TV and then turn it back on and check if the application is working afterwards. You have two ways of restarting your device, either by going to Settings, Device and Software, then Restart, Confirm, and then wait until your TV turns off and then on again. And alternatively, you can simply unplug your TV from the power outlet, which is a faster option, but basically both will perform the same kind of operation. So if this one doesn't work for you, you can also try to unplug your TV from the power outlet and then plug it back in a minute. Okay, let's wait for the TV to turn back on. And after your TV turns on, wait until all the apps launch and then try relaunching your app by selecting it from the App Store, for example. Let's go to the app library and let's try to open the app. Let's pretend that this app is problematic. And in case this app still doesn't want to turn on for you, there are few more things that you can do to fix this issue. First of all, you can go to Applications menu in your settings. Select Manage Installed Applications. Then select the application on this list. Then you can clear the cache of this app by selecting Clear Cache. You can clear data of this app if this doesn't help you, and then try to launch the application once again. And in case none of this helped you, then simply reinstall the app by selecting Uninstall, then Confirm, wait until the application is uninstalled, and then go back to the App Store. You should be able to easily find the previously uninstalled application in your app library if you go to Not Installed tab. Select this application and then download this application once again. Wait until it's downloaded and installed, and after that try turning it on once again on your TV, and it should start working just fine. To be sure, you can also restart your TV once again after the application is installed. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable motion smoothing or motion enhancement or motion processing, or as it's also commonly called, soap opera effect on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So, first of all, from the home screen of your F Pro TV, navigate to the gear icon, then go to Display and Audio tile, then select Picture Settings, then select your input. For example, in my case, I'm gonna select my PlayStation input, which is connected to HDMI, and after that, on the sidebar that you see on the screen, navigate to Advanced Settings, then navigate to motion processing option and switch it off by selecting the respective option right here. And then just exit this menu and this effect will be turned off. However, if you want to do the same thing for these apps and settings menu, so the main screen of your TV, you're gonna have to turn on some kind of media on your TV. So for example, let me turn on a YouTube video. Just give me a moment to do so. Okay, so I just turned on some YouTube video, and now hold in order to change the in order to disable motion processing for this input, you're gonna have to hold down the home button on your remote control until you see the sidebar here. Then go to picture, and right now navigate to advanced settings, navigate to motion processing, and once again switch it off. Oh, it actually is, this input is actually called apps and videos, not apps and settings. So and this way you will turn off your soap opera effects on Xiaomi F Pro TV. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change live TV language on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon from the home screen to open the list of all settings. On this list, open Display and Audio tile, and after that, navigate to the very bottom of this list until you find Preferred Live TV Language. Open this section, and here you can select the primary audio language and secondary audio language with the first respective options. So select the language that you want to see as your primary audio language and the secondary audio language. And also in the very same way, you can change the subtitle language for your live TV with the following two options. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the total runtime or uptime of your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to Settings on your TV, then go to Device and Software tile, and after that, go to About section. Now, in the About section, you have to select or just simply highlight the Your TV option, and here you'll be able to check the total device uptime, which for me, this TV has been running for 18 hours and 22 minutes in total. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to control your Xiaomi F Pro TV with your smartphone. So the easiest way to do so is by using the native application, which is called Fire TV, which is one of the main ways to set up your TV. But still, I understand if you set up your TV using your remote control instead. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what to do instead in case you don't have this application on your smartphone. Go to either your Apple Store, App Store, or the Google Play Store and find the Amazon Fire TV application, download and install it, and then open it. And after that, you're gonna have to select this plus icon and select Setup New Fire TV. Your phone will automatically find your TV around, even if it's not connected to the internet, and then you'll be able to select it and log into your Amazon account. And after you do that, your TV will appear on the list of your devices, just like you can see it right here. And now you just have to select your TV Then enter the code that you see on your TV screen. And after that, you'll be able to start using this remote control to control your TV. Here we have the D-pad, we have the keyboard, which you can use at any time. We have apps menu, we have voice control, we have more settings like touchpad. We have home button, return button, options button, and all the media controls, and also shortcuts to all the streaming services. And besides, we can also change the volume and the channel on our TV. And also I cannot really see where if we can change the source using this application. No, I think it's the way. If we go to more apps, or by clicking right here, we can switch to the TV source. Okay, yeah. And so that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi TV won't turn on. So, first of all, if your TV won't turn on with your remote control, try replacing the batteries inside. So remove the back cover of your remote control and replace the old two batteries with a pair of new ones, and try pressing the power button to turn your device on again. If not, then try to find the physical button on your Xiaomi TV. In my case, it's located right beneath the Xiaomi logo at the bottom of the TV, and I can easily reach it with my finger. So just press the power button and try turning on your TV. And if it doesn't work for you, well, first of all, check for LED indicator. It should be glowing on in standby mode on most TVs, unless you manually disable this feature in settings. So if you didn't disable LED lighting in standby mode, LED indicator in standby mode, then it should be glowing. If it's not glowing, then most probably your TV is not firmly connected from both sides. So check both the cable on the side of your TV, check if it's firmly connected into your TV. Maybe it's just maybe you moved your TV a little and it's slightly disconnected, and that's the reason why your TV won't turn on. And also check the other side in the power outlet, or the extension of the power outlet, and check both sides and check if the LED indicator starts working. And if it's not, let's perform the power cycle of the TV. In order to do that, we're gonna have to remove the TV cable from the power outlet and leave it like this for about 5 minutes for the TV to perform the power cycle. And after these 5 minutes, you're gonna have to reinsert the cable back into the power outlet. And if your LED indicator doesn't start glowing again, then you're gonna have to first remove all the peripherals from your TV, like HDMI cables, all of the flash drive, USB flash drives, all of the peripherals, all of the TV cables, and just leave the TV like this with the power cable inserted directly into the power outlet instead of the extension or anything else. So just plug your TV directly into the power outlet and then try turning it on, for example, using the physical button, and see if it works for you this time. And if not, then at this point, the the problem is either in the faulty cable, power cable, so you can try and replace the power cable to your device, or maybe there is a hardware issue inside your TV. Anyways, if it's a hardware issue, I highly recommend contacting the Xiaomi customer support service and telling them about this problem and letting them care of your device. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to cast your Android smartphone screen to your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, go to the settings and select network and check which network has a connected status, and make sure that it's the same network on your smartphone. Swipe down the control center on your smartphone and check if it's the same network. And also be aware that not all Android devices support screencasting with this particular TV. So unfortunately, this will not work for every device, but generally what we have to do on our TV is hold down the home button, and once the sidebar appears on the screen, select display mirroring, then select yes. Then on your smartphone, swipe down the quick settings menu and find cast option, which looks like this, sometimes a bit different. Sometimes it looks like a rectangle with the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom left corner of it. I hope that you can imagine it by my description. If you don't see this tile, if you don't see this setting, have to tap on the either pencil icon or the plus icon, then add and another tile, locate this setting right here. Usually it's added from the beginning, but sometimes you're gonna have to do it manually. So let's find here it is, cast option, and as you can see it's already added to the screen. So let's tap on it, and if you open display mirroring on your TV, your smartphone will find your TV on the list. And once you select cast, you're gonna have to select which type of casting you need. So either the entire screencast or a single app cast. So select one of these options, then select cast, and wait until your device is connected. And right now you can watch your phone screen on your TV. And if you want to disable it, either swipe down the control center and select the same option once again, or if you have some kind of shortcut, then you're gonna be able to do it with it. And so that's basically it. And yeah, one important notice: if for some reason your devices aren't, if your smartphone isn't able to cast its screen to the TV, also make sure that your TV is and TV software and your iPhone and your smartphone software are up to date. So on your TV, you can go to the settings, select device and software, and then go to about, check for updates, and see if your TV is up to date. And then on your smartphone, also go to the about or system and updates, and check if your phone is also up to date, and then try pairing them once again. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mirror an iPhone to your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So to do this, first navigate to settings menu on your TV and then select network to check which network your TV is connected to, and make sure that your iPhone or any other iOS device that you're using is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So just swipe down the control center on your iPhone, for example, and on the control center you will find the, it's not not what I'm trying to open. On the control center, you will find the network tile. Just find your Wi-Fi and check if it's the same Wi-Fi that is displayed on your TV. After that, check if the AirPlay is enabled on your TV. So let's go back to the home page. And after that, let's navigate back to settings. Then in settings, select display and audio. Enter your PIN code once again. And then go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. And make sure that the AirPlay is turned on. And basically after that, you can start streaming your iPhone screen. So swipe down the control center, find this icon with two rectangles on it, which is the screen mirroring function. And if you don't see it here, you just have to add it to this screen by holding your finger down on the control center or by tapping the plus icon in the top left corner, then selecting add a control, and then find screen mirroring right here and add it to your control panel. So once you select this, once you open this menu, you will immediately find your FTV. And after that, you're going to have to provide a PIN code that you see on the TV screen on your iPhone. Tap OK. And after that, the screen of your iPhone will be mirrored to the TV. To stop the screen mirroring, just stop this, just swipe down the control center, select screen mirroring and select stop mirroring. Now besides, you can also stream some applications. For example, YouTube application. In order to stream it, you're gonna have to wait until it's loaded. Then tap this icon in the top right corner of the screen and select your TV once again. So let's YouTube search for devices. Okay, it's gonna take some time. And if it doesn't find anything, automatically just select AirPlay and Bluetooth devices, and then select your TV. And then wait for a moment. I think the iPhone just lags. Let me just restart YouTube real quick. Okay, so I think it's simply the TV didn't, there wasn't anything on the TV because the TV doesn't have any YouTube application in my case. I suppose it's so. But if you want to stream a video, we just have to tap the same icon at the top right corner of the video, then select AirPlay and Bluetooth devices, and then select our TV. Okay, right now I'm wondering how come it didn't.
So without internet connection, for example, if you're traveling to a different country, however,
okay,
there is a limited.
Excuse me for that screamer, but yeah, I'm not sure how it even streams without a YouTube application. But no, I think it really doesn't have it. It just streams, just mirrors the iPhone screen right now. So we can actually control our TV using iPhone's control buttons. We can pause the video on the iPhone and it will also pause on the TV. We can switch to the next one and it will of course also switch to the TV. Besides, we can also control our TV by tapping the same icon once again, and after that we're gonna have to wait a moment. Okay, so excuse me, I actually thought we had access to some additional settings like using our phone as a remote control, but it doesn't seem to be available on this TV. So we can just turn off the application and our TV will return to either home screen or the AirPlay menu. We can also stream some other applications, for example, our library, photo library. In order to stream it, we just have to select a photo or the collection of photos that you want to stream, then select share button, and then select AirPlay as the sharing option. Select our TV from the list, and after that all the photos will be displayed on our TV screen, and we can of course navigate between them And then we can of course stop the streaming by tapping the icon in the top right corner and then selecting turn off AirPlay. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand storage of your Xiaomi TV. To expand storage, you can use a simple USB flash drive. However, if your TV supports USB 3.0, then you should definitely get yourself a USB 3.0 USB flash drive. And if it doesn't, then yeah, you definitely should look for 2.0 USB flash drive, and I'm not even sure which one is harder to find these days. But generally speaking, even the Xiaomi models from the same year still do not have the same USB support. For example, models like Xiaomi TV Max 100 from 2025 and also TVS Mini LED from the same year support USB 3.0 connections, but TVA Pro and the TV F Pro series do not support USB 3.0. I'm not sure about all TVA Pro TVs though, but here in front of me I have the F Pro model, and it doesn't support 3.0, and therefore I'm going to be using a USB 2.0 USB flash drive. And generally speaking, just Google which USB type your TV supports, and then get yourself this USB flash drive. And first of all, to expand your storage, we're gonna have to insert your USB flash drive into a computer first and format it properly. So once you inserted your USB flash drive into the computer, open your file explorer and check if there are any important files on your USB flash drive. If there are, back them up on your computer. If there is nothing on your USB flash drive or nothing important, then let's format it. Right-click your USB flash drive, select Format. Then in the file system, select either FAT32 or exFAT, depending on which file system your USB flash drive supports. And if both file systems are supported, then go with the default one. Don't forget to hit the Quick Format checkbox and click Start, click OK, and give it a couple of seconds. Usually it only takes this much for your PC to format the USB flash drive. And once you're ready, let's go to our TV. So eject your USB flash drive from your computer, and then locate the USB socket on your TV. I'm not sure which side it is on. Definitely it's on the back side of your TV, but not sure which edge you should look behind. So most probably on one of the sides of your TV, maybe, because putting it on, somewhere in the middle would be too inconvenient. But check one of the sides, and also if your TV has multiple USB sockets, then check which one supports USB 3.0 if you're using USB 3.0 flash drive. In my case, there is only one USB port on the left edge of my TV, behind the left edge of my TV. So let me just quickly insert my USB flash drive into the TV. Also make sure that it sits firmly inside. And after that, we're gonna have to integrate it into our internal storage, and it is done differently depending on which operational system or operational system layout your TV runs. And for example, my TV runs on Fire TV as the rest of the F Pro series. So in my case, I'm gonna have to go to settings by navigating to the gear icon, then device and software, then store USB drive, and then format to internal storage. And then wait for a couple of minutes until this USB flash drive is is formatted, is integrated into the internal storage, and this way I will be able to store all the applications on this TV on this USB storage. If you don't want to store any applications, if you just want to store an external media, you should either then reformat it to external storage, which is done in the very same way, or simply not format it to internal storage in the first place. But also, if your TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, then after going to settings, you're gonna have to go to device preferences, and then after going to device preferences, oh no, I'm not, no, give me a moment. Yeah, that's right, in the device preferences, and after that, go to storage, and in storage you will be able to select your USB flash drive, and there you'll be able to select migrate data to this storage, and this way you will migrate data to this storage, and if prompted, you're gonna have to format your USB flash drive at the same time, like right before you migrate your data. And so this way you will be able to easily and quickly migrate your applications to your USB flash drive. This feature is not supported on Fire TVs. You're gonna have to do this manually, or your TV will do this automatically in the background. But basically, that's how you expand your storage on your TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the picture mode on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. Before you do that, make sure that you have a device connected to one of your inputs, because only this way we'll be able to change a picture mode for that particular device. And yeah, we also have to change the picture mode for each input individually. And in order to do this, we're gonna have to navigate to settings menu on our TV, find the display and audio tile, and then open it. Here, find and open picture settings, and then select the HDMI port, which has some device connected to it. In my case, it's HDMI 1, and I have PlayStation connected to it. Now, wait for a moment until the picture settings appear on the screen, and here we can select picture mode, which is the first setting on the list, and we can change it from standard to movie to filmmaker mode, dynamic, natural, game, which is set by default, or PC, or also customized mode. Of course, game mode is the most proper for PlayStation, as it lowers input latency, therefore, or input lag. So yeah, but if I want to change it to any other, I just have to select some other mode. And this way we can also change all the other settings we have in this menu. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to speed up your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So, first thing you should do to speed up your TV is update the software of it. You can do this by navigating to settings, go into device and software, then select about. In about, navigate to the last option, which is check for updates. Let your TV check for available updates. If it finds any, let it install the updates immediately. And once the update is installed, if your TV doesn't restart itself, then go back to the previous menu and select restart option and let your TV reboot. After that, now this change will significantly improve your device's speed. As keeping your device up to date is always good for your TV, and After you do that, let's also clear up some storage, especially if you've had this TV for a while. This will also help you with the device's speed. So you go to Applications menu from the settings, then enable automatic offload to automatically offload unused apps if you don't have this feature enabled yet. And after that, you can clear all applications caches with one click by selecting this option and then clicking confirm. If you have a bunch of different applications there, they surely gathered a bunch of unused cache on your device. Go to manage installed applications and uninstall some apps that you haven't been using. You can quickly uninstall an application pressing play pause button, then click confirm and find all the applications that you don't need on your TV and uninstall all of them, because keeping enough storage on your TV actually speeds up its performance. After that, also one more thing, you can also individually clear cache for each application by selecting an application from the list and then navigating to clear cache. You can also clear its data by selecting the respective option. You can offload this application and of course uninstall, as I said it before. After we've cleared up some storage, let's go to devices preferences and let's disable preferences to slow down our TV. The first one being the privacy settings. Well, not the privacy settings is only in the menu, but here we have a bunch of different things that we don't need on our TV and that actually slow down our TV. First of all, manage sharing from apps. Go right here and disable the first option here by clicking OK, then select off. OK, next go to cookie consent, and unless you really need your device to save cookie preferences, decline this consent. Also, the disable device usage data. So all of these trackers, they send the information to Amazon servers and back, all of this transfer in the meantime while you're watching your TV causes your TV to function to operate much slower, and disabling each of these settings will actually improve your device's stability and overall performance. Let's turn off the collecting of app and over-the-air usage data. Let's also disable internet-based ads. You can, before disabling internet-based ads, let's also clear our advertising ID by going to your advertising ID and pressing 3 stripes button on your remote control. Click OK, and then let's turn off interest-based ads. Now let's go to Xiaomi privacy settings. These are actually easier to turn off. All you have to do is select them and then withdraw. If you have agree here, that's okay, just leave them be. If you have withdraw, then press withdraw, and let's go to data usage monitoring. Let's also turn this feature off. And now the featured content will be the last option which will disable. The featured content is something you see on the home screen. So all the all the advertisements, all the movies, featured movies. Let's by switching both these features off, so video autoplay or audio autoplay, we will prevent them from playing automatically on your screen when you're simply watching, looking at your home screen. And autoplay also uses a lot of data while you're using your TV. Therefore, we will optimize our experience by disabling both of those features. Now let's go back to settings. Let's go to device and software, and let's restart our TV once again to apply all the changes. And some of these changes may actually take some time to be applied, so be aware of that too. So only when the data is synchronized with the Amazon servers, with the Xiaomi servers, will we be able to finally use at our TV at its max performance. Now let's wait for a while. After your TV turns on, give it a couple of minutes to launch, and after that it will be as fast as never before. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset and how to pair your remote control to Xiaomi F Pro TV. So first of all, I just want to mention that if you use the original remote control to your TV, which looks like this, it actually has infrared indicator to navigate your control your TV, and therefore this remote control will not stop working when unpaired or whenever something happens within its software, because it simply uses the infrared channel. So if your remote control is broken, it's most probably because the batteries are discharged, and you just have to replace them with AAA alkaline batteries, which you have to place right here. But still, you can try to reset the remote control. It's only gonna reset the software, which lets you use the Alexa voice assistant on your TV. But anyways, in order to do this, first you're gonna have to unplug your TV from the outlet and leave it like this for 60 seconds. And then after 60 seconds, you're gonna have to press and hold the combination of keys, the left D-pad arrow key, then the return button, and the menu button, which looks like the three stripes, which has 3 stripes on it. So just press and hold these 3 buttons all together for about 12 seconds, as it says in the original instructions. So let's wait until about a minute has passed, and then let's start holding these 3 buttons at the same time. Hold them all together. Besides, if you didn't do it yet, then also besides removing your device from the power outlet, also remove all the HDMI peripherals from your TV for this operation to be performed properly. And right now let's wait for a couple more seconds. Okay, now we can release all of these buttons, and then wait for about 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds remove the batteries from your remote control. And after you remove the batteries, you can put your remote control aside and then plug in the TV into the power outlet. And once the LED indicator appears at the bottom of your TV, let's press the power button that is located right beneath the Xiaomi logo at the bottom of your TV to turn it on, and wait until the TV turns on. And now it's gonna take a while, so let me speed up this process. Okay, and once your TV turns on, you should be able to see at some point some kind of error notification about a remote control detection, but it seems to me that it's not happening. It doesn't happen for this kind of remote control. So instead, let's just put the batteries back into our remote control. And after that, try using it. Should be working instantly with your TV, except for this Alexa button. If you press the Alexa or microphone button, you'll be prompted to pair your remote control, which you can do either here by pressing pair now option, or you can also do this later or you can do this in settings, which you can navigate to by going to the gear icon on the side of your TV, then selecting the remotes and Bluetooth devices. And by the way, right now I want to mention that if you are if you aren't able to use your remote control right now, then instead use your Fire TV application on your smartphone as a replacement remote control. Once you connect your smartphone to your TV using the Fire TV application, you'll be able to use it as a replacement remote control for as long as you need. And this way, navigate to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Then go to voice remotes with Alexa. Then select add new remote. And then if you are prompted to hold down the home button, then do this for a couple of seconds, and then you will see this on your screen. Then just press the select button on your remote control, and your remote control will be repaired with your TV. And right now the Alexa will be working for you, and your remote control is now fully reset. And that's basically it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off personalized recommendations on Xiaomi F Pro TV. First, navigate to Settings on your TV, then open the Preferences tile, and then go to Privacy Settings. In Privacy Settings, disable Cookie Consent. If it's enabled, to do so, select Cookie Consent and then select Decline. Also disable Device Usage Data, Collect App and Over-the-Air Usage Data, disable Interest-based ads, and besides, you can also reset your advertising ID before you do that. So for a minute, leave your interest-based ads enabled, then navigate to your advertising ID, and then press 3 stripes button on your remote control. Click OK, and after that, disable interest-based ads. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode on your Xiaomi TV. If you want to enable the game mode for your gaming console, of course, plug it connect it with your TV and turn it on. After that, you have to go to the settings menu on your Xiaomi TV and then select display and audio settings. In here, you have to select picture settings, then select the HDMI port that your PlayStation or your Xbox is connected to, and after that you will see the picture settings on the side of your screen. First of all, you can enable the game picture mode by selecting it right here, and besides, if you want enable the game mode itself, so the auto low latency mode, find it on the sidebar below and click OK to turn it on. You can also enable the game mode in the regular apps and settings mode of your TV, so the default screen you see when you turn on your TV. In order to do this, you're gonna have to actively play some kind of media on your TV. For example, let me enable the YouTube video of some kind, just to show it to you. And when you're actively playing media, access the settings of your TV. For example, in my case, it's done by holding down the home button for a couple of seconds. After that, select picture mode. And right now you'll be able to switch both your picture mode itself to game, and you'll also be able to enable game mode at the bottom of the sidebar in the same way. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to improve dialog quality for movies and TV series on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. To do that, navigate to the gear icon from the home screen. Then go to Display and Audio tile, then select Audio Settings. And after that, navigate to Advanced Settings menu. Here you'll find Dialog Clarity. By selecting this option, you will either disable Dialog Clarity feature or select either low or high level of enhancement. Besides, you can also enable the Dolby AC4 audio enhancement system for dialogues. If you scroll to audio output, and here you'll find AC4 dialog enhancer, and you can either set it to low, medium or high level. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to run network speed tests on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on your TV to open settings. In settings, navigate to network tile and open it. And after that, select the network that you are connected to. And once you select it, press play pause button on it. The play pause button is located beneath your keypad, beneath the 0 button on your keypad. After that, select Run Speed Test option and wait until we see the result. Usually it takes about a minute for your TV to run a full network internet speed test. And after a moment, you will see the result. In my case, it's 176.22 megabits per second. And so that's how you check your internet speed on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename HDMI devices on Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to Inputs. Then select the input which your external device is connected to and press the 3 stripes button on your remote control. Once you see the sidebar on the right side of your TV, select Change Device Name. Here you have different presets that you can set as your device's name. For example, I have the PlayStation connected to this input. So I'm gonna select PlayStation, and right now I can ask my voice assistant to switch to PlayStation, and it will automatically switch the input to my HDMI 1 and also will automatically turn on the PlayStation. However, it's gonna take a while. As you can see, it's taking some effects, and as you can see, everything is working just fine. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to allow unknown sources applications on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So in order to do this, we're going to have to unlock developer options on our TV. So from the home screen, go to your settings, navigate to device and software tile and open it. Then open about section and press OK button or the middle D-pad button on your remote control until you see you are a developer notification on your screen. Then you can go back and open developer options. In developer options, select install unknown apps, and you will see the list of applications that can get an allowance to install unknown applications. Usually it would be either a downloader app. If you have it on your TV, you can download it from the App Store, from the default App Store. And also the different file explorers and managers can also get this permission. So in order to give any application a permission, you just have to click on it and to change its status to on, and then this application will be able to download applications from unknown sources and install applications from unknown sources. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play videos from USB flash drive on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So just upload your videos to your USB flash drive. I'm going to be using this one. There is no real need to format it in any way as long as your PC recognizes the USB flash drive. No matter if it uses NTFS or exFAT or FAT32 format, everything will do just fine. So just upload your videos and then insert your USB flash drive into your TV. The USB port, the single USB port of your TV is located on the back side of it, behind the left edge of your TV, right beneath all of the USB, all of the HDMI ports. So just carefully insert your USB flash drive into the port, and then you will see the notification that lets you view pictures by pressing the three stripes button on your remote control. However, if you didn't notice it, you can just go to inputs, and in inputs select media player, and you will go to your USB flash drive. Now go to videos and just open a video that you want to play on your TV. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable HbbTV tracking on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So first of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings. Then in settings, select Live TV tile. And after that, navigate to HbbTV and do not track request. Now, if you want HbbTV from to stop tracking, just switch this toggle on. Switch the toggle on next to this option. But you can also disable HbbTV completely by switching HbbTV feature off. To toggle these options, you have to press the select button or the central D-pad button on your remote control. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi F Pro TV won't turn on. First of all, if you cannot turn on your TV using your remote control, then if you're using an original remote control, you should simply try to remove the old pair of the pair of old batteries and replace them with the new pair of alkaline 3A batteries, and then try to press power button on your remote control once again, and normally this will turn your TV on. However, if it's not the issue, then first of all, take a look at the bottom of your TV. In standby mode, when plugged into the power outlet, your TV should be displaying the LED indicator at the bottom of your TV should be glowing, unless you disable this feature manually in settings. And if it's not glowing there, then check the connection between your TV and the power outlet or the extension or the surge protector, and just make sure that the cable sits firmly both inside your TV and in the power outlet on the other side. If it does, then let's try to power cycle the TV by unplugging the power cable from the power outlet and leaving your TV leaving the TV like this for about 5 to even for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes should be just enough. This will perform the full power cycle of your TV, and after this 5 minutes, just plug your device back into the power outlet and check if the LED indicator starts glowing. It should start glowing, but not immediately. Usually it takes a couple of seconds for it to start to turn on. Okay, just give me a moment right now. Okay, and if your LED indicator didn't start glowing at the bottom of your TV, then you should first of all unplug all the peripherals, because some peripherals might be causing this problem. So just unplug all of your HDMI inputs, remove your USB flash drives, basically everything else from your TV, and plug your TV directly into the power outlet instead of the extension or the surge protector. And after that, see if your TV turns on. And if it's not turning on, even after that, if you don't see the LED indicator and you cannot turn it on, neither with the physical button, which is, by the way, located right beneath the Xiaomi logo at the bottom of your TV, which you can press at any time to turn your TV on. So if your TV won't start, simply won't start, then this is probably the hardware issue, and at this point I highly recommend reaching out to Xiaomi customer support service and telling them about this issue and letting them take care of your device instead. And so that's basically it for this video. I really hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot find your Amazon purchased movie or media on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So in such case, we're gonna first have to check whether the TV is connected to the internet, and to do that, go to your settings, then navigate to network, and make sure that your TV is either connected to the Wi-Fi, or if you have the Ethernet cable plugged into your TV, then check whether it's configured here, and also make sure that your Ethernet cable sits firmly in your TV. So once we made sure that the internet connection is all right, let's go to Account and Profile Settings, and here select Synchronize Amazon Content. And after that, all your purchased content should be synchronized with your TV, and you should be able to find it within your Amazon applications. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable personalized recommendations on your Xiaomi TV. So if your Xiaomi TV uses the Fire OS, like this one, then you're gonna have to go to settings by navigating to the gear icon on your TV. After that, go to preferences tile, open it, then go to privacy settings. In privacy settings, we can disable cookie consent so that the TV doesn't gather our data to personalize our content. To do so, just select cookie preferences, then decline. Then we can also disable device usage data by selecting it and switching it off. Then collecting app and over-the-air usage data. Also, let's turn it off. Then let's turn off interest-based ads, but before we do that, let's also reset our advertising ID by going right here. By navigating to your advertising ID option and then pressing 3 stripes button on your remote control. Then click OK to confirm and then turn off interest-based ads. Okay, so that's it. Now, if your device uses the PatchWall OS instead, so you're gonna have to, of course, go to the gear icon to open settings. Once you are in settings, go to privacy settings, just like we did here, except for we had to go to preferences first. So go to your privacy settings, and once you are there, you're gonna have to find ads and also and then navigate to delete advertising ID. And after you do that, just don't select get new advertising ID, and it will do the job for you. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable true volume on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on your TV to open settings, and then go to display and audio tile on the settings menu. Then navigate to audio settings and go to advanced settings. Then navigate to true volume and switch this feature on. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to unlock developer options on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, you have to navigate to the settings from your home screen, then go to device and software. Now here I already have developer options unlocked, but I will show you how to do that. In order to do this, go to About section and then press OK on your TV option until you see you are a developer notification. After that, go back and you will be able to access the developer options where you can enable or disable ADB debugging and also allow different applications on your TV to install other applications from unknown sources. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand storage on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. In order to expand storage on this TV, we're gonna be using the USB flash drive, USB 2.0 flash drive in particular. So all the F Pro series up to this date do not support HDMI 3.0 as an additional storage device. However, you can still use them if you want to play videos from them or any kind of media. But if you want to expand your storage using a USB flash drive, then you're going to have to prepare yourself a USB 2.0 flash drive. And first of all, insert it into your computer. and format it into either FAT32 or exFAT format. Make sure that you have nothing important on this USB flash drive. It's not necessary to format it, but especially if your computer can recognize it, because it's going to be reformatted once again on the TV. But generally speaking, it's better. It would be better because it doesn't take much time, and we can just be sure that the TV reads the flash drive properly. So first of all, right-click your USB flash drive in your File Explorer, select Format, then select either FAT32 or exFAT file system, depending on which one is supported by your USB flash drive, and if both are supported, just select the default one. Then check Quick Format option, click Start, then click OK. Wait until your USB flash drive is formatted, and it's gonna take a couple of seconds. Okay, and after that, remove it from your TV and let's switch. Remove it from your computer and let's switch to our TV. Now, let me turn the lights on so you can see everything better. And first of all, we're gonna need to insert our USB flash drive into USB Type A port. In my case, there is only one USB Type A port. It's located on the left, behind the left edge of the TV on the back side of it, right beneath all of the HDMI ports. So let me just insert my USB flash drive in there. Okay, like this. And after that, in order to integrate this USB flash drive into our TV's memory, we're gonna have to navigate. I guess it just switched to, screensaver turned on. So let's navigate to settings, so to the gear icon. And after that, select device and software. Now here, you'll see right now the USB drive option. And what we have to do is select it and then select format to internal storage. And then just wait until this USB flash drive is formatted to your internal storage, and therefore the storage of the TV is expanded. So let's wait for a couple of minutes probably. And right now the formatting is complete, and so let's re-enter this USB drive menu. So right now the USB flash drive became the part of our internal storage, and right now we can store apps and media in it, cache and everything else. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename HDMI devices on your Xiaomi TV. If your Xiaomi TV uses Fire OS interface, you just have to go to the Input section from the home screen. Then select the input you want to rename, press the 3 stripes button on your remote control, and once the sidebar appears in the bottom right corner of your screen, select Change Device Name. Now we don't have any custom names in this case. You can only select one of the presets. For example, I have my PlayStation connected to this source, so I'm just gonna select PlayStation. After that, after you select press Next, you can hold down the microphone button on your remote control and ask your voice assistant to switch me to PlayStation, and it will basically do the thing that you're asking it for. But if you are using the default interface or the PatchWall interface or the default Android interface, you just have to navigate to the gear icon you see in the top right corner of your screen. Then open all settings. In the settings, the first option should be inputs. Now from there, you'll have to go to external inputs, then select your HDMI inputs, and once you select it, you're gonna have to you'll be able to select a name for it, and there you'll also find a bunch of presets, and the last option should be custom name. And by selecting custom name, you'll be able to also input your own name and name your HDMI device somewhat specific. And that's basically how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the Wi-Fi isn't working on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So, before trying to troubleshoot your TV, let's just make sure that the problem is within the TV and not within the router that it is connected to. So just check the Wi-Fi connection using any other device that you have access to around. So for example, your smartphone, maybe your laptop or whatever else. Just try connecting to that one Wi-Fi network that your TV is connected to, and if it works seamlessly for other devices but not for your TV, then we can start the troubleshooting process. Otherwise, the issue is probably on the side of your either router or even internet provider. And the first thing that you should do is just put all the wireless devices aside from your TV, so your speakers, your smartphones, your controllers that may interrupt your Wi-Fi signal. And then check if the Wi-Fi issue was resolved. Sometimes that's what causes the issue, but if not, then let's go to the settings, then open network settings on your TV, and then let's try to restart Wi-Fi connection by navigating to enable network option and press and select to switch this option off. Then wait for maybe a minute or even less, maybe half a minute, and then turn this option on again and let your TV reconnect to the network. If it's not helping you, if after the network restart your device still cannot use the internet, then navigate to the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to, then press the 3 stripes button on your remote control and press OK to forget this network. Then wait for a while, select See All Networks option, find the network that you were connected to, press OK, and enter the password to it, either using the on-screen keyboard, or instead you can scan this QR code and use your smartphone, or you can just open the Fire TV application on your smartphone and enter the password on it. Give me a moment. Once you enter the password, select Connect, and then wait until you are reconnected. You can also check the network quality, the connection quality, by pressing the Play Pause button on your remote control right beneath the 0 on your keypad. Then you can run the speed test by selecting the respective option in the bottom right corner to check the network speed for this Wi-Fi network. And this way you will easily get to know whether or not this Wi-Fi is working properly, though it takes a minute, or a minute or two usually. And you can check your network speed right here, but if you can see that it's not enough, or your network simply, your TV simply cannot receive data from the internet, then we're just gonna have to power cycle it. To do so, we're gonna need to turn the TV off by pressing the power button, then removing the TV from the power source, So I'm plugging the TV from the power source and leaving it like this for about a minute. Okay, so after your TV is restarted, check if the network problem was resolved. And if it wasn't, then let's go back to the network settings and let's try something else. So some networks are divided into different bands. As you can see here, I have the Matrix and the Matrix 5G network, and right now I'm connected to the 5G band. So we can try to switch to the regular 2.4 gigahertz band by selecting the other band. You can also make your divide your router into two bands in router settings, and then use the 2.4 gigahertz band, which is usually more accessible for most for TVs and basically most devices. And check if your TV can be connected to the network using the regular band. And if it still can't connect to the network, then maybe this is the router being outdated or simply incompatible with your TV. So at this point, to resolve this issue, to check if the router is the issue, you're going to have to, for example, enable the portable hotspot on your smartphone and try to connect to it instead. So enable portable hotspot, then find it in all networks, and you can also rescan to check once you create a portable hotspot on your smartphone, and then try connecting to your your hotspot, to the hotspot on your TV. And if your TV connects to your hotspot, then this is probably just a Wi-Fi the router problem, and you're just gonna have to replace your router for your TV to be able to connect to it. Or instead you can use an Ethernet cable. As a last resort, if nothing helps you and you don't have an Ethernet cable to use with your TV instead, you can also perform a factory reset operation, which will erase all data, all settings, and your account, and basically everything from your TV. But it may help you resolve this problem. To perform factory reset operation, go to Device and Software, and then navigate to the very last option, which is Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm and wait until your TV is reset, and then reset it. Set it up once again and see if this issue is resolved. But if this doesn't fix your issue, then at this point you should definitely contact Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about your problem, and probably send your TV to them for repair, as there might be some sort of network card problem in your TV. And so that's basically it. That's all the troubleshooting steps I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope that some of them helped you. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, in this video, I will show you how to resolve Wi-Fi issues on your Xiaomi TV. So in my case, I'm using the Xiaomi TV with Fire OS interface layout, but if you are using the Xiaomi TV with the PatchWall or the regular Android TV or the Google TV, steps are pretty much the same, though a little bit different for both kinds of devices, and I'm gonna explain everything in this video. But first of all, before you start troubleshooting any kind of TV, you're gonna have to make sure that the trouble is not within the Wi-Fi router that you are connected to. So just grab any other device that can wirelessly connect to your router and try connecting it with it, and check if the router provides network signal to your, for example, smartphone or laptop. And If the router functions well, then then we're gonna have to start troubleshooting the TV. Otherwise, you're gonna have to try to restart the router, or if it's not helping, then contact your internet service provider. Okay, so let's get back to the TV. First of all, put any peripherals aside from your TV, any peripherals that can use wireless network connections. So it can be your smartphone, your controller, your speaker, anything that connects wirelessly, so that it doesn't interfere with the Wi-Fi signal coming to your TV. And then check if your problem is resolved. Try opening any web service on your TV, and if this isn't helping you, then go to the settings. You can go to the settings in the very same way on any Xiaomi TV. Just navigate to the gear icon, and then you're gonna have to either go to network or Wi-Fi menu, depending on which layout your TV uses. In my case, it's network. In network, you're gonna see all the Wi-Fi networks. Check the one with the connected status, and let's try to disable Wi-Fi connections. So if you're using a Google TV and on your Xiaomi, then switch the toggle to the left next to the Wi-Fi option, and wait for a couple of seconds, and then turn it on again. If you're using the Fire TV layout, then navigate to enable network option and switch it off. Then re-enable your network after a couple of seconds by switching this option on, and then wait until your TV is reconnected with the Wi-Fi network. And in case it's not helping you, then on Google TV, we're gonna have to forget the network that we are connected to. And on Google TV, it's done by selecting the network and then selecting forget option on the following screen. But on Xiaomi TVs, you're gonna have to press the 3 stripes button on your remote control and then press OK to confirm. Then your TV will be disconnect from the network. And after that, we're gonna have to see all networks again, select the network that we were connected to, and then enter the password to the network once again. Once the password is entered, select connect, let your TV reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, see if this resolves the issue, and if not, then we're gonna have to cold reboot the TV. But if you are using the Google Xiaomi TV, then first, before doing that, just make sure that you have date and time set properly on your TV. In order to do so, go back to all settings menu, and in all settings find system. In system, you will find date and time settings, and in date and time, just make sure that the automatic auto date and time feature is enabled. On Fire TV, however, we cannot change date and time, so this is surely not the problem for this TV. So if the problem is still there on your TV, then let's press the power button to turn the TV screen off, and then unplug the TV from the power source and leave it like this for around a minute to cold restart it. And let's get I'm gonna get back to you when the TV is restarted. And if the cold reboot operation didn't help you resolve the Wi-Fi issue, then at this point we're gonna have to go back to network settings. In network settings, check if your Wi-Fi is divided into 2 bands. So in my case, you can see that this Wi-Fi network is divided into 5G and 2.4 G bands. So if your device is connected to the 5G hertz G band, switch it to the regular one, to 2.4, and otherwise just do the same thing, but switch it to 5 gigahertz band, and check if this helps you. If possible, change this setting in the router and actually divide your network into two bands, because 5G band may not be as accessible to your TV as 2.4 gigahertz band, which is the most which is compatible with most devices out there, and then switch to your 2.4 gigahertz. If not, if this doesn't help you, then maybe your TV is simply incompatible with your router. Maybe your router is simply too old or simply incompatible. And in such case, we're going to have to quickly make sure of that by creating a portable hotspot on your smartphone. You can check the tutorial on how to do that on our channel too, and you're highly welcome to do so. And once you create a portable hotspot on your smartphone, go to all networks, rescan for available networks. Once you find your portable hotspot on the list, select it, connect to it, enter the password to it, and after that, check if the Wi-Fi issue is resolved. And basically check if your TV can use network connection from your TV. If so, then the problem is within the router or within the incompatibility between your TV and the router itself. And after that, if your TV cannot connect even to your mobile hotspot, then you can, as a last resort, you can go to you can perform a factory reset operation on your TV, and on Fire OS it is done by going to Settings, Device and Software, then going to Reset to Factory Defaults and confirming this operation. Of course, this operation will erase all data from your TV, including your account, settings, and media files. There are applications and everything else stored on your TV, and then you're going to have to first set up your device once again. And if your device runs on a Google Android TV, then you're going to have to go to the System menu in Settings, then go to About, and in About you will find Reset option. Select Reset and then select Factory Reset and confirm, and after that your TV will be reset to factory defaults. And after your TV is reset to the factory defaults, check if this resolves your Wi-Fi issue. If not, then at this point you should definitely contact Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this issue. And most probably you're gonna have to send your TV to them for repair, or just head to the nearest repair center and let them check your device and probably most probably replace the network card in it, as this is most probably the cause of the issue on your TV. And still, I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to play videos from USB flash drive on your Xiaomi TV. So, of course, insert your USB flash drive into your computer, and before you upload any files on it, let's first format it into one of the two formats, either FAT32 or exFAT. This is not necessary, as most modern Xiaomi TVs will format your USB flash drive automatically, but just to make sure that the TV reads your USB flash drive well, let's quickly do this. Right-click your USB flash drive in the File Explorer, select Format, and then in File System menu, select either FAT32 or exFAT, depending on which one is supported by your USB flash drive. In my case, the FAT32 is the default one, so I'm gonna select it. Also check the Quick Format checkbox and click Start. This operation will take a couple of seconds. And right after that, let's upload the video on our USB flash drive. So let me grab the video, let me copy it, and let me go back to this PC. Let's paste this USB flash, let's paste this file in here. And after that, let's switch to our TV and of course remove your USB flash drive from your computer. Now, at this point, we're gonna have to insert our USB flash drive into the TV. Now, I cannot tell you exactly where your USB port, type A port is. In my case, it's on the left side of the TV, behind the left edge, actually on the back cover of the TV. It's located right beneath the HDMI port. So I'm not sure if it's like this for you. It may be on the right side of your TV in your case, or maybe somewhere in the middle on the back side, but it's most probably on the back side of your TV. So just insert your USB flash drive into your TV, and after that, let's turn it on. Now, no matter which operational system your TV uses, it can be the PatchWall, the standard OS, it can be the Fire OS, like in my case, so the Amazon OS. Either way, you have to go to Inputs, and in Inputs, select the Media Player. Now, find your video on your USB flash drive and just select it to start playing it. And so that's basically how you do it. That's simple. Once you finish watching your videos, you can remove you can eject your USB flash drive from your TV anytime. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to apply the best picture settings on your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So right now I'm playing the sample video to show you the colors. Right now the standard mode is enabled on the TV, and if you take a closer look at it, well, it looks fine, but we can definitely see that some colors are way too saturated, and they don't look really natural. If we want to achieve that natural effect of the colors on our TV, we're gonna have to change this mode to the Filmmaker mode. And to do so, hold down the home button on your remote control until you see the sidebar, then go to Picture, and in Picture mode, change the standard one to Filmmaker. Now the colors don't look too saturated, and they are less brighter, they're less colorful, right? But they look more natural this way, and we actually can achieve that by adjusting the settings. First of all, the first setting is the backlight. Now backlight should be maxed out, so max it out to 100. And then we're gonna be working with the other settings. Now the contrast is kind of adjustable to your own preferences. I prefer it at 45, but you can switch between 45 up to 55 to increase the colors diversion, I would say. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Just keep it somewhere around the middle. I prefer it at 45. Now the brightness should be set depending on your ambient light. So in my case, it's dark around the TV, so the room is dark. So I set the brightness to 45. So for example, if your room is way too bright, you can set the brightness to 55. But in my case, it only makes the picture lose some colors, and also it makes it kind of more blurry. So I'm keeping it at 45. So just adjust it to your ambient light. Now the color should be kept the same at 50. If the colors aren't colorful enough for you, you can up it to, you can add like 5 more points to it. Now the tint should stay the same. Game mode has nothing to do with the graphics. Let's go to advanced settings right now. Now for Filmmaker mode, the only setting that we can change is Gamma mode. Now I recommend using Gamma 2.2, which will actually let you increase the picture brightness slightly. without really losing the color quality. But if you want to, you can change to BT1886. And the color space, I recommend selecting either auto or native if you don't want to oversaturate or undersaturate colors. I tried Adobe RGB and it looks well, just okay. It makes colors more colorful, but this way we will also lose on the picture quality. So the naturalness of the photo, of the picture that we see in front of us. Now, besides the Filmmaker mode, I really can recommend the game mode, but only for games, or exclusive for games, as the game mode will make colors overly saturated, as you can see right here. And now this is not what we want to see in movies, but it is most commonly what we want to see in games. So yeah, so you can switch to game mode when you're playing games. And once again, backlight to 100, contrast can be kept in the middle, brightness adjusted to your room brightness, and then also we have sharpness here, though I don't think we really need to change it. Now in advanced settings we have more settings to change, but basically all we want to do here is enable super resolution if it doesn't make your image losing quality, but it actually worked so fine on the PS, so on my PS5, so I think it's gonna work well for you too. And you can also disable, or you should also disable motion processing. It's automatically disabled in Filmmaker mode, but in game mode you have to do this manually. Also disable noise reduction and color boost, and all the other settings in here. Now let's go back to the Filmmaker mode, since this is not a game, so this is not what I really want to see in front of me right now. Let me change back to Filmmaker, and let's actually play a bit of this video to check what it looks like. So let me go back again, and let me show you what it actually looks like right now. Okay, so we can see that the colors are just colorful enough for us to see the great picture. The camera focuses mainly on this part of the screen, therefore the grass looks more naturally green here, and somewhat less on the left side, but that's okay. This frame I think shows the color quality the best, so that the way that we can clearly see the colors on the screen with the Filmmaker mode enabled with slight adjustments. Now I think this works great for any movies that you want to watch on your TV, and as I said, if you want to play a game, maybe the game mode will be better for you. Besides, your TV will also enable HDR for the game mode automatically for when you connect a console to your TV. But this is just a YouTube video, so yeah. And you can see the quality for yourself. I hope that it satisfies your needs and your wants. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if some particular application isn't working on your Xiaomi TV. So the easiest way to resolve this issue is by restarting your device. The quickest way to do this on any Xiaomi TV, no matter which OS or layout it uses, is to turn it off with your remote control and then unplug it from the cable and leave it like this for about a minute, and then just plug your cable, your TV cable, back into the outlet and let your device switch on again. Let's give it a moment. And once your TV is restarted, try to relaunch your problematic application and see if it works for you right now. And if it's still not working, then let's go to the settings. I'm not sure how to do this in your particular layout, but most often you have to navigate to the gear icon on your screen, then select Apps menu or Applications, and here select your Manage Installed Applications or Installed Apps. Here you'll find all the apps you have installed on your TV. Now, in order to fix this issue, select this app and clear its cache by choosing the respective option, and after that try relaunching this application. If this didn't help, then try clearing the application's data by selecting the respective option, and then launch the application once again and see if it works for you. And if it's still not helping, then just try to reinstall this application by selecting uninstall in the same settings menu. Click confirm. Then you're gonna have to go to the apps store. In my case, it's actually called this way. If you're using an F Pro TV series, in your case it's the same, but if you're using the Google TV or the Apple TV or the PatchWall, then it's either Google Play Store or just apps. And now find this application by selecting the search bar and input the application's name, then select it in the Play Store, and then download it once again. Wait until the application is installed, and after that, once the application is installed, just try running it once again. And at this point, your problem should be resolved. Let's just wait until the app is installed, then open it right from the same menu. And yeah, hopefully right now everything is working well for you. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair your remote control with your Xiaomi F Pro TV. So if you're using a wireless connection remote control with your TV, once you put it around your, or once you put it closer to your TV, you should see the on-screen remote detection error message. And after you see it, you're gonna have to press and hold the home button on your remote control to connect your remote control to your TV. Some remote control also support infrared connections, infrared channels for connections, like this one. So this remote control doesn't need pairing. It doesn't lose its full functionality without pairing. However, the pairing this kind of remote to your TV will let you use Alexa voice assistant, and in case you do have such a remote, you'll be able to easily pair it with your TV by simply pressing the microphone button on your remote control and then selecting pair now option and proceeding with the instructions. However, if you are trying to connect a wireless remote control and you don't see any notification on your TV screen, then first of all, let's then in order to navigate to the option that we need, we're gonna need to use our smartphone as a substitute. So on our smartphone, let's open the Fire TV application. If you don't have it, download it from either App Store or Google Play Market. And this is probably the application that you used to that you use to set up your TV, and all you have to do is connect to your TV in this application, and once you connect to it, the remote control or emulator will appear on your smartphone, and you'll be able to use your smartphone as a substitute to your remote control. And once you can do that using your smartphone, navigate to settings, then navigate to remotes and Bluetooth devices style, press OK, and then select voice remotes with Alexa, and navigate to add new remote, and then press the home button on your remote control, let me go back to settings. We had to press and hold it. So once again, add new remote, and so once you press and hold the home button, your TV will be able to see your remote. Then you have to press OK button or select button on your remote control, and after that your remote will be added, and you'll be able to start using your either full functionality of your remote control or the voice assistant. Now, if you weren't able to connect your remote control to your TV, make sure that it's properly charged, to make sure that you have 2 AAA alkaline batteries installed in your remote control, and they are charged enough to power your pilot. And so at this point, your remote control should be paired with your TV, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.